What is going on, guys? So today we're in the new shop. Finally, we're gonna be making some videos again. So today, right now, Michael is on the way. We're gonna work on that car, that Model T right there. We're gonna put an alternator on it. Probably go drive it in the rain, or at least drive it tomorrow when we fix it tonight. So, and Michael's on his way. We'll see him in a second, and yeah. And a little 360 of the new shop real quick. This right here, which is an alternator, 12 volt alternator for this Model T right here. So this is a direct replacement for the stock generator. You just undo the 3 bolts, undo your power wire, new gasket, just like that. And then you gotta wire it up. Don't know how to wire it up yet, but we'll figure that out. So really the only reason that this Model T is getting an alternator right now is that someone previous, before me, converted this car to 12 volts, but just never had a charging system. So we're fixing that today. We got 3 5/8 bolts on the front. I got all 3 of those bolts loose. And now this puppy just slides out. So as you can see, 3 bolts, not too bad. Now the alternator does the same thing. 3 bolts, goes back in. Use the same 3 bolts. Or at least I am. New gasket. Should be good. So the way this alternator works is there's a gear in there. There's a gear way down in there. And it runs off the camshaft and it turns the alternator. New gasket. Alternator is installed. Now we just got to figure out the wiring.
Which I can't find it.
So this goes to the back of the alternator. And we have to extend it a little bit, and we're gonna see if it works.
All right.
Fuel is on. We gotta use our hammer and
Please tell me I just put red on black, bro, and black on red.
all right, 12.73. All right, let's start it and see if it goes up. Alright, that means we have a working charging alternator. Okay, after multiple attempts, the solder has ironed and the wire has been wired. So as you can see, heat shrunk and all, soldered as far as you know, and then tucked away and then torqued to spec. Tomorrow, we drive. Oh. Alright. First thing we gotta do is
some of this shit out of the way.
Yeah, let's move all this. We're driving this Model T right now. Talking to the ghost of Henry Ford. Please don't let us break down today. You made a good car. They should have never changed it. Okay, first thing we're gonna do before our road trip, we're gonna check if there's any water in it or any coolant of any type, which there is. So we're good on that. You always want to check that on a Model T. You don't want to overheat them, because then... yeah. Alright, so there's oil in it. We're basically good to go.
So she has oil and she has coolant.
So if you see that at the gas station, ethanol free.
No corn?
Good for your Model T. You know how I said you're supposed to put ethanol free in this?
Mm-hmm.
Definitely does not have ethanol free in it.
Uh-oh. They're good on this side.
Shakes a little bit.
Got a little road noise.
Oh yeah.
Road trip easily. Going like 50 right now?
We're definitely doing like 25 miles an hour.
Like I thought.
Oh yeah.
Oh, we might get to 30 right here, bro.
Yeah. You want me to floor it?
Yeah.
Alright.
See if you can get the tires to spin out.
Was that pretty scary?
That was pretty scary.
Oh, look at all these bumps.
God, nothing for the Model C.
Oh yeah.
Flips us.
Flips us over.
successful Model T trip.
Okay, well, fuck it. That was our test drive. And yeah,
It went good.
went good. Thanks for watching.
Oh, yeah. Thanks for watching. Outro. And it's all one video, bro. Easy peasy. It is dripping hella oil, though.
Oh my goodness. Why is it dripping on?
Maybe did you tighten that thing, dude?
Yeah.
What's it dripping from then?
I guess that thing still.
That's a lot of oil. No, it's not from that. From the valve that you did, though. It's from like the middle.
Yeah.
Maybe we cracked the oil pan when we went off-roading.
Probably.